Boys and girls, I want you to imagine this. Every app you use, every video game you play, every robot on Mars, and every new medicine saving lives today exists because of people who studied STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math. STEM isn't just about numbers and formulas. It's about solving real problems, creating new ideas, and shaping the future. Whether it's protecting our planet, building smarter technology, or even designing the jobs of tomorrow, STEM is at the center of it all. And here's the exciting part. The world needs you. Each of you has the power to invent, to discover, and to make an impact. By taking STEM courses seriously, you're not just preparing for a job, you're preparing to change the world. So I challenge you. Stay curious, ask questions, and don't be afraid to dream big. Because the future of STEM, and the future of our world, is in your hands.